Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, guys, I want to talk to you guys about the Sable One credit card. Now I made a video for you guys, I think last month, or actually 2 months ago, about this credit card. And it didn't get that many views, but this credit card allows you to have up to a $10,000 limit. The only reason why I want to make another video for you guys is because I made my last video. I told you guys I called them, I wasn't able to get a response. I didn't think that it was like a legit company. That credit card has been added to my credit reports. Like, I have not put any money down or anything like that, and this has been added to my credit reports. And I'm going to show you that pop up here. Now, when you look at it, you'll see that they're saying that it's an account that's in good standing. I opened it June 7th. My balance is zero because I haven't put any money down on it. How could I spend anything? My utilization is not applicable. And don't forget to, I'm guessing if I was to put money down on it, I will have a utilization. So that's something to think about. And then the minimum monthly payment is at zero. And that's only because I haven't used this credit card. But the point that this has been added to my credit reports, it's a secured credit card. I did not think it was going to get added because I have not put any money down. Now, let me say this. I did technically put the application in because I want to see the full process. I put the application in, and when I put the application in, I got the debit card and I did get the credit card in the mail, but I didn't think like they were going to add it to the my credit reports. I just got a notification, but they actually backdated. So it's August right now. I actually applied for it in June. So it took them 2 months to report. I didn't put any money down. So for those people that need a credit card, I really suggest maybe you should get a credit card with them, only because they're reporting. Other companies, I don't see them reporting it without you putting any money down. So that's really good for those people that need a credit card to go ahead and get signed up. And I believe you can get this credit card with just only putting, I think, $100 down on this credit card. But here's the credit card right here. So the Secure Sable One credit card. Now, when you're looking at this credit card, you go into looking at the website, all you have to do is click right here on open an account, and then you'll open that debit card and you'll open that credit card. And they'll send the cards right away because I got the cards. I'm not going to say I didn't get the cards. I did get those credit cards. I got the debit card and the credit card. So that's something I do want to tell you guys. Now, they're saying that they're going to give you $25 when you get your credit score over 700, but it has to be within 12 months of you. So make sure you guys really work on boosting your credit score up. And then they're going to give you extra bonus by giving you $25 for actually boosting your credit score up. Now, listen, this secure credit card, they don't have an annual fee, right? We got to talk differently about them. This video is totally different than my last one because I was kind of skeptical, but they don't have an annual fee, so they don't charge an annual fee. So that's better than a lot of other secure credit cards out there, right? So for one, they don't charge you an annual fee, and then you get up to 2% cash back on your purchases. So like for Amazon, Netflix, Spotify, Hulu, Uber Eats, Whole Foods, you guys will get up to 2% cash back on these purchases, which is really good. And you guys will also get up to 1% cash back on all other purchases. So all your other purchases that you're going to make anyway, you want to get 1% cash back. You guys are going to get MasterCard card rental insurance. And if you guys don't know what that means if you just go ahead and read up on this too. I'm not gonna give you everything. I'm not gonna give you all I'm not gonna give you all the details, but make sure you read up on everything. But if you use your credit card to rent a car, you guys will have car rental insurance. You guys will have insurance that way. So you don't have to worry about relying on like your personal insurance. But look into that too. Look into it deep. You guys will have cell phone protection, including cracked screens. I literally just cracked my screen. I literally just signed up for a protection plan on my at the Fix a Crack or something like that. I don't know the name of the company just because I messed up my phone. So that's good that they have that in here. And then zero liability on purchases. So, and that means zero liability means if somebody was to take your credit card, make a purchase, then you won't be liable for paying them. They'll give your money back. But that is really good. So I'm really happy that they're reporting to the credit bureaus, and they're a secure credit card. I didn't put any money down. They're already reporting. So imagine if you put your money down, it's probably going to report faster, and it's going to help you boost your credit score. Now, this is the thing, like I told you guys, I'm really happy that they do not have any annual fee. So that's really good. You won't have an annual fee if you were to get this credit card, which is really good. No annual fee, no foreign transaction fees. That's really good. And then two, your rate will be prime plus 6.99%. That would be your APR. So, and they said too, leave your wallet at home. They support mobile payments on the platforms. I guess they want this secure credit card to be like the credit card of the future. But they're saying too, all you have to do is just add money to your account when you start. I didn't do that. And then after you add money to your account, let's go to this next steps. You can spend it anywhere. Don't forget, you guys, when you know what, I'm not gonna front now. I'm thinking about it. When I first signed up for this account, they gave me my details right away. So if I was to add money on, I believe I can use the card right away too. And then they just sent me the credit card, I guess, with just the same details that I got when I first signed up. So I just didn't think that they were going to report to the credit bureaus or even, I don't know. I didn't think the account was going to be open until I put money down, but I was incorrect on that. But you guys will be able to use it right away, start getting your rewards, all your cash back, and your benefits for every purchase. So that's really good. And then, too, you want to start building credit, too, because they're going to report to the credit bureaus. Yes. So they're going to report to the credit bureaus so that they can help you get approved for a home mortgage, rental, and car loans and other credit cards too. But you guys, they reported to the credit bureaus and I did not load the credit card up. Now I do want to make sure, because I believe it's only $100 that you have to put down on it. I believe that's what it is. You only have to put $100 down on it. Let me see if I can look and see the minimum. Yeah, I believe it's $100 minimum that you will have to put on this credit card. But I don't even think that that's even a minimum. I think it's like $25. I think it's a very low minimum, especially seeing that they're reporting to the credit bureaus and I don't even have a credit card. Like I said too, like if you see here, the account is in good standing, which is good. I opened an account 2 months ago, so that was in June. Now it's August. My utilization is not applicable, but you think about it like that. I haven't put any money down, so I don't have I don't have a limit or anything like that. I won't have any utilization. I don't have a balance, and I don't have a monthly payment. Responsibility, individual. I don't have any late payments. The account status is open, so my account is open. And yeah, you guys, so if you're looking to get a secure credit card, I really suggest that you guys go ahead, take the steps, get the secure credit card, let them start reporting for you guys. And hopefully, if you were to get your account today, you'll load it up with something. So when you do get your credit card in the mail, you know, it took me 2 months and I didn't put anything down. I didn't think the account was open, right? Hopefully it will report faster for you. So let me know what's your experience. Has anybody else got this credit card? Anybody else going through what I'm going through? Have it reported to anybody else's credit report? And let me know any changes that you have. Like, did it drop your credit score? Did it raise your credit score? Definitely let me know that down in the comments. Don't forget, you guys, make sure you sign up for my exclusive membership. I have my exclusive membership t-shirt on now. Make sure you guys are signed up for my exclusive membership. You can sign up for just $1 where we can help you remove the negative accounts from your credit reports for free. And you guys, that's just an extra bonus on top of the main thing with this is you're going to learn about your credit. You're going to learn how to start repairing your credit. And you guys will have access to all of the dispute letters so you can start disputing the negative accounts from your credit reports. Now, don't forget, I have my podcast. So if you guys want to come on my podcast, you want to look at your credit reports, definitely make sure you guys use that link down below and sign up for the podcast. And I'll see you guys in the next video.